Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is CAD Design Master. If you are new here, just like, comment and share and subscribe to get new futuristic and most valuable information and tool knowledge about the SolidWorks 2020. If you are the engineering student, then this is the very important and must video for all of you. In this tutorial we are going to learn about the with mate. Okay, this tutorial is basically nothing but the advanced feature tutorial based on the mate tutorial. You are knowing well known about the mate command or mate tools in SolidWorks 2020. I think you have mostly used the standard mates, but in this tutorial we are going to know about, or we are going to discuss about the with mate features and its uses in the assembly. Okay, so I'm going to let's see what are the standard mates. Okay, I think you know very well about these standard mates, that is coincident, parallel, perpendicular. uh, I Do you know the what is meant by the mate? Mate is nothing but the give the relation between the two parts or two component of the any body. Okay, this there is the mate is used. Okay, now today in this tutorial I am going to discuss about the width mate. Okay, so let's start. I have already made the some assembly. Okay, if you want to get this assembly tutorial, you can comment me, I will provide you. Okay, the assembly name is claw 1. Okay, so this is, there is no relation between these two parts. Okay, you know that this part is called as the arm link. Okay, I have named is as a arm link, and second part is a grip, or second was the arm grip. Okay, so the by using the width mate, what is going on? So you can see there is a hole between the two plates, the difference between the two plates. Okay, so if we want to adjust this arm link in this area, or if you want to assemble this in, that is in between this port, if you go to the normal view of this, so you can see here by using this tutorial here, by zooming in, that you can see there is the small gap between the two. If we want this link should be completely centered between two in this gap, so we use the width mat. Okay, so let's start how to use. Okay, first of all, click on mate tool. Go go uh, uh, this is default selecting, that is a standard mates, but click here and click on advanced mat. Here you will search the width mat, click on width mat. Okay, now here SolidWorks will say to select the entities, which entities you want to mate. Select the two faces, this is this face and this face of the link part. Okay, now SolidWorks say so what you want to mate this part from, which part you want to. Okay, so by clicking here, select this gap, these faces which is present in between that gap. Okay, select this. Now you can see here. Okay, click on OK. Now, okay, if we go to control view, normal view, you will see the gap. This link is going to be completely in between or middle, that is the gap between these two is equal. Okay, now if you want to clarify, go to evolute or click on measure. uh, Click on measure, wait a second, measure this edge and this edge. The distance between two edge is that is zero point 0.5. This distance, that is vertical distance, is 0.5 mm. Okay, same as for here, that is this distance between these edges, that is what, 0.5 mm. This is the magic of the width mat. Okay, I think you are going to be learn more about this. Okay, this mat. Now I want to adjust or coincident this surface and this surface, it is coincident. So click on mate. Okay, click on mate, select the concentric, and select the faces you want to co-center. Okay, it will automatically co-center these two parts. Okay, now you can see my our drawing is going to be futuristic or useful. Now here you see that I want to drag it, but I can't because the both the part or both component are isolated. So if you want to move this part and you want to fix this part, so click this part, right click and select the isolate, no, fix. Click on fix button. Okay, now you can see this will not move anywhere. Now this only move. Okay, this is very important in solidwork 2020 assembly conception. Okay, I think you know more about the mate command or mate tools in solidwork 2020. If there is any doubt or regarding this tutorial or this video, you can comment me. I will try to give its solution or answer to you as well as possible. Okay, if you want more advanced feature tutorial in Hindi or English, you can ask me. I will